So what is the prime rate of interest? Actually, this is before we discuss other things, let us discuss about prime rate. So what is prime rate? Prime rate is actually the lowest rate of interest. This is the lowest rate of interest charged by leading banks on business loans on their most important business borrowers. So think about a bank. Okay, a bank usually have many customers. Okay, it will have many customers. Okay, customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4. Okay, and all of these are business customers, so they take short-term loan from this bank for their business. Do you understand? Okay, customer 1 is a company, or you can say company 1, company 2, company 3, company 4. All of them, take loan from the bank, from this bank. Okay, now do you think that customer or company 1, company 2, company 3, company 4, all of them are equally credible to the bank? Do all of them have the same possibility that they will repay the loan in time and in proper amount? So the
Right.
bank will assess the credibility of their clients. Okay, they will assess. The bank will assess the credibility. Credibility means the possibility that they will not default. Okay, what is default? Default means the possibility of not repaying the loan. Okay, that is called default. So the bank will always assess different customers. Okay, how much is their credibility? So if the bank find that customer 3, okay, customer 3 is a very good customer, okay, very good or excellent, very good customer, okay, very high degree of credibility, highly credible, highly credible. So and this is the most credible customer. Customer 3 or company 3 is the most trustworthy customer. So do you think that the bank will charge the same rate of customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, and customer 4? So if you work in a bank, or if you have anybody known who works in a bank, you can ask them. Okay, they do not charge the same rate of interest to every customer. Usually, they will charge a lower rate of interest to the lowest interest rate to the most credible customer. Okay, so this is called prime rate. So what is prime rate? Prime rate is the lowest rate of interest charged by the bank to its most creditworthy customer. So the prime rate actually becomes the reference rate. So next time when customer 5 applies for a loan to this bank, now the bank will try to compare the credibility of customer 5 and customer 3. If they see that the customer 5 is not as credible as customer 3, that means the credibility is lower, then what the bank will do, bank will charge a rate that is above the prime rate. So let's say the prime rate charged to customer 3 is 15%. 15%. So for customer 5, it may be 17%. So 2% extra for customer 5. Why? Because customer 5 is less credible compared to the customer 3. Okay, now if I ask you whether the prime rate changes or it remains fixed, the answer will be it changes. Interest rate is actually the price of a loan. So if the demand for loan increases, then the price for loan will increase. You know that if demand for anything increases, then the price also increases. Because of the higher demand, the rate for every customer will increase. The rate for every customer will increase. Similarly, the prime rate will also increase. The prime rate will also increase. So if the prime rate increases, then again, the customer, let's say the prime rate increases by 1%. So it becomes 16% for customer C. Okay, customer 3, sorry. Now again, the rate of the customer 5 may also increase by 1%. It can become 18%. Okay, so that is usual practice. So this is what I have said. Banks generally determine the rate to be charged to various borrowers by adding a premium. This is the premium. So in this case, how much is the premium? If we compare the rate of customer 3, who is the prime customer, and customer 5. So the rate of customer 3 is in our previous example 15%, and the rate charged to customer 5 is 17%. So in this case 15% is the premium prime rate, and for customer 5 the bank is charging a premium. Now can you tell me what is the amount of premium? 2%. ওকে, এখানে বলছে যে ব্যাংক কি করে, কোনো একজন বড়োয়ারকে যে লোন দেয় সে কি করে, অ্যাড করে, একটা প্রিমিয়াম অ্যাড করে ওভার দ্য প্রাইম রেট। তাহলে আমাদের এই এক্সাম্পলে কাস্টমার 3 হলো সবচেয়ে বিশ্বস্ত কাস্টমার, তাকে সে 15% রেট চার্জ করছে। আর কাস্টমার 5 একটু কম বিশ্বস্ত, এই জন্য তাকে 2% এক্সট্রা চার্জ করছে। সো প্রাইম রেট প্লাস 2%, সো এখানে 2% হচ্ছে প্রিমিয়াম। ওকে, ইজ দ্যাট ক্লিয়ার? সো ইফ দ্য ব্যাংক চার্জেস ইউ 3% extra over the prime rate, over the most credit or the customer, then this 3% is the premium rate for you.